Hi guys! To see how I got this makeup look, keep watching. I am wearing gloves because I just self-tanned and I don't want to wreck my hand tan. So the first thing I am using is the Gin Amber Mineral Sunscreen, and I'm mixing it with, you can mix it with basically any foundation just to give it more color. It does have a tint to it, so that would be kind of like an everyday thing. But I am going to darken it up. Ooh, that's probably pretty dark. Oh, I forgot to pull my hair back. Oh boy. Well, we're gonna see if I can do this without making a huge mess. Let's just do this. Oh boy. Yeah, I have an idea. So we're gonna start off like this. Oh, do you see that red mark on my neck? I just filmed a hair video and burned my neck with the flat iron. Okay, so did I just get that on me? No. Hopefully this is not going to get rid of my chest tan, but I need sunscreen on the chest because I'm gonna be outside. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take these gloves off and clip my hair back. There we go. Then I'm gonna use the blender. For those of you who don't follow me over on Facebook or Instagram, go follow me so we can stay connected. I post a lot more over there and stay updated on my life. I did tear the calf muscle in my leg. It actually happened right after I filmed this video, and I was rushing, ran back up the stairs to go to my friend's birthday, and that's when it happened. I've been on crutches for a while, but I am finally healing and doing well. I'm using the Garnier Anti-Dark Circle Roller. I'm using Dermacol. I mix a few different colors, and I can't do this on my hand, so I'll do this on here. Usually I warm it up on my hand. And this is a really great concealer to touch up any blemishes. My face has been not breaking out at all since I've been doing vegan keto or eating vegan keto. And because I've been putting so many hair masks on my hair, like going to bed with all these oils in my hair, now my face is breaking out. I've been changing my pillowcase every single day, so I'm not like getting my face in it, but obviously some of it snuck through and made my face break out. Okay, next is bronzer. I'm using Physicians Formula with sunscreen, which is no longer available. And I am still looking for a sunscreen bronzer that I love as much as this one. Chugging some matcha. Oh my gosh, you guys, so I just got my new Almond Cow milk maker. Oh, it's amazing. I will film a what I eat, and I will show you the milk maker. It's incredible. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with a lot of things. I like that word. I'm gonna do a quick dusting of this Color Science sunscreen just because I'm gonna be outside. Just wanna make sure my skin is really protected. It's my friend's birthday today, so I'm going to chill with her and my other friends I haven't seen in a while. I miss all of them so much. Moonlight pearls, highlighter. This part is usually always the same. Brows, I'm doing in black. This is NYX Micro Brow. All right, and this is Revlon Color Stay powder. I don't powder my whole face. Very strategic. I go up where I want to brighten and set. And then I take a clean, fluffy brush and whatever's left on the brush, it helps to blend the bronzer and the blush as well. I am actually going to go back to my Picante Carity palette, and this is the first time that I've used this palette with gray hair. My dress has some orange and blue, so I want to kind of bring in some of the orange. I can pretty much go with cool or warm tones because my skin is very olive, and with the gray hair, that's what really matters. Like clothing colors, I tend to look better in cool with the gray hair, but makeup, I can go both ways because of the olive skin and my brown eyes. So we're gonna go with some orange. I'm gonna mix these two for the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go with this nice bright orange. Okay, going in with the orange. Look at that color. Oh yeah. Alexa, stop. You know you're in ketosis when Alexa has to remind you to eat.
This is a reminder. It's not real.
I'm gonna use this bright shimmer color in the inner corner, using this tiny little brush. This helps brighten up my dark circles also. Then I'm gonna put the leftover the arch of my brow. Okay, lips. What are we going to do with lips today? I definitely find that since I went gray, I use a lot more blush because you need color to wake up your face. This lip liner is Trendsetter. by Runway Rogue. It matches my lip color so good. And I'm going to use the Runway Rogue Catwalk Gloss. I'm gonna switch to Lookbook. This is more of a peachy color. Yes, there we go. I don't know. I can't make up my mind on the lips, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.